Hello everyone, Penny here, and today is part 4 of the Franken Paper Scrap Junk Journal, and today I'm concentrating on the spine, and I found this little piece that had some eyelets already, so I'm going to sew this down to the spine, to the front part of my spine, because outside, I guess I should say, because it already has a little hose, a little eyelets, and I was super excited to find this little scrapbook piece. So this gave me an idea to make some of these up for my future journals. And of course, if those who have the little eyelet tool, you can make some of those up, and it helps you get rid of scraps as well. So here I am just lining it up and seeing where I want to put it, and I'm folding the journal, I'm marking it, and you can see the process here. Scoring this was a little bit, it was hard. It was difficult because there were so many pieces, and then it was so thick, and then there was the stitching. So then I realized when I scored it that I could have turned it, flipped the paper. So yeah, here I am trying to figure out how to score it, you know, and making sure that, but it just wasn't going to work right. So then eventually I take my ruler, and then I realized that I could just flip the paper, you know. So anyway, I got there and I got it finished and I got it folded. Here I'm using the Fibba tape that's contractor's tape for the inside. So here I am sewing and putting the front of the spine, I guess you could say, the decorative side of the spine on. So stay tuned for video number 5 of where that I actually put the pieces for the inside of the cover. Bye!